Hi, thank you all for coming to our innovation showcase today. We are here and very excited to present our brand new Simple Check platform. Simple Check is an app and a reporting suite that we did this year to help facility service professionals and cleaning professionals track and validate those most important tasks that particularly came out of the pandemic to give your customers a better sense of safety, security, and confidence that you're doing those tasks and you're physically present in doing so. My name is Tony Maioni. I'm the president with CoreAmerica. CoreAmerica is the world's leading cleaning consulting firm, and we're celebrating our 25-year anniversary this year. We've been fortunate to help about 2 billion square feet over the last 25 years achieve cleaner and healthier buildings through our consulting and through our apps. Simple Check is our latest app in our suite of services, and along with Vince Maioni, our product owner, and Clay Himmelberger, who leads our in-house software team, we're going to tell you about the app today. We're going to demonstrate it and show you how you can get started with a no-hassle free trial. Clay is going to tell us about that process in just a moment, but before he does, let me give you a little bit of a backstory on where Simple Check came from. So at the onset of the pandemic, we realized that our customers were looking for a simple, affordable way to validate those critical functions that they were now doing to keep people safe in the buildings. Most notably, cleaning and disinfecting common touch points in restrooms. That was sort of the original kind of need that was expressed to us. But also, just doing rounding, using the right PPE, having the right chemicals for COVID. Customers are demanding to know that these processes are working and being accomplished. And we found that there wasn't a great app or tool out there to do that. So, as is our nature at CoreAmerica, with our own software team, we said, you know what, we're going to design and build this new tool ourselves, and we're going to offer it in a simple and affordable way so the maximum amount of people in this cleaning industry can use it and try it and make it very easy to try at no cost. So that's where Simple Check was born from. Clay's going to go a little deeper into that development process because I think it ties into where the app is today and the benefits of it, and then Vince will do a brief demonstration. Clay?
Thanks, Tony. CoreAmerica does develop all their software and technology in-house. And so as the lead of the software team, I get to work alongside the experts to build the tools that are needed, that are used by them directly and by our clients worldwide. Based on feedback from users of our quality inspection platform, we developed a prototype for a digital checklist to make simple verification and logging possible. And alongside use cases from clients in the field, we enhanced those tools to add GPS tracking, location tagging, QR codes, more reports for the Simple Check that you see today. A customizable platform that's ready for your team. I'll pass to Vince for a demonstration.
Thanks, Clay. All right, so I'm going to show you Simple Check. It's just an app. If you see the screen, we have my mobile being shown. So it's an app that you download to your mobile device. And I'm going to show you two different use cases. So we're going to start a checklist, and we're going to choose daily room cleaning. All right, so you can see we have a lot of different options here. So high touch points. All high touch points have been cleaned, disinfected, and approved chemicals and proper PPE. So I'm going to say that's compliant. These are also all customizable. You can do yes, no, thumbs up, thumbs down. For this one, we're going to do compliant and non-compliant. And maybe we'll say the furniture is non-compliant. So I'm going to select non-compliant, and I'm going to take a photo of that non-compliance. So here is a piece of furniture. We'll say it's non-compliant. Oh, my Wi-Fi dropped there. Well, I'll tell you what. Those non-compliance checklists then get uploaded to the reporting website. So this is where all of your checklists are logged. So every date and timestamp, the duration of your checklists, and you can actually filter from different date ranges, drill down to different types of reports, and this makes it very easy to track all of your verifications and logs and share with your different individuals in your organization. So I'll pass it back to Tony If there's any questions, please feel free to ask.
Yeah, so just to go a little deeper on the reports and the use cases, one of the ways that you can use SimpleCheck is using QR codes. So you can create a hierarchy of all your locations or your rooms, your areas in a building, your buildings, and you could assign QR codes to each of those. You can easily print and organize those QR codes and make them yourself. You might want to put a QR code at the entrance of each building that you might clean on a route work. You might put QR codes in the janitor closet or custodial closet so that you can scan it and it prompts a checklist of all those different chemical and safety and equipment items that you may check in the custodial closets. Or you can have a QR code in restrooms so that every time your day porter goes into a restroom, they scan the QR code and it prompts them to log that they are there, that they're spot cleaning the restroom, checking the dispensers, and maybe cleaning and disinfecting those common touch points. QR codes are optional, you don't have to use them, but from our user base, when we did our soft launch, we found that those QR codes were important to many folks that wanted to have physical verification that somebody is doing a service at a place and time, and to make it very easy to set up those QR codes in a very affordable way. So those are just a few other use cases that I wanted to mention today. We've set up a QR code that you can scan and easily try maybe 6 or 7 other use cases that we've loaded just special for the ISSA conference. If you scan that, it prompts you to download the app. You're not actually signing up for a full free trial, so there's no commitment, but you can very quickly just play around with it, try those different use cases, see what you like and don't like about it. And we also welcome you to come to our booth. We're at booth 2539, the CoreAmerica parent company booth. We've been meeting with hundreds of people this week, learning more about anything that they're doing manually or with paper now. You can turn that into a digital process. And it's interesting to hear all the many use cases out there, many that we didn't anticipate that we're learning just fresh from this show, that we've already helped people customize and turn into that digital app. One thing Vince didn't mention on the reports, you can easily text or email the reports to your customers. Again, the concept is to give customers and building occupants the maximum confidence that their buildings or their maintenance items or their cleaning is happening, that it's safe, and that it's compliant with the different protocols. So that's where this app was born from. We're so excited to launch it at this show. Again, we're at booth 2539. We'll be available after this presentation today to answer any further questions. And we thank you and ISSA for the time today. Appreciate it.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.